So how to maintain the OkaAir Detoxifier? Firstly, every 6 months, 4 to 6, depending how dirty is the environment. So there is this thing called thumb screw. So the thumb screw, meaning you can use your finger to open up the screw. Okay, and you remove the first layer is a pre-filter. You can actually wash it or you can just vacuum it. Now the second layer over here is what we call the washable HEPA filters. It can filter up to 0.3 micron, so you can basically vacuum it. Now the third layer here is a combination of active carbon and also the titanium photocatalytics. So this one, do not wash it, just vacuum it, right? And the fourth layer over here, this is what we call the photocatalytic titanium oxidation filters. So again, you just need to vacuum it. Now comes here, you can see the fifth technology with the UVX, or is a combination of UVX and also UVC, that is germicidal. And over here, the sixth technology, this is the ozone ceramic plate. And this plate, what you can do is like you can use a running water, use a used toothbrush, just brush it off. Make sure there's no dust collected over here, and make sure it's really dry before you insert it back. So when you insert back, you see the arrow over here. Just put it in and push it all the way, right? So as for the 7 and 8 technology, you can see over here is something like a lollipop. This is called the UV antenna ionization. So what you can do is you can use a wet tissue, just wipe it, okay? And the inner, you see there's a box here, that is the plasma ions. Again, you use your wet tissue, just wipe it the needle point. Now the ozone ceramic plate, once it's dry, just insert back according to the arrow shows over here. Push it all the way. Now the second one, nearer to the UVX light, is the titanium photocatalytic filters, is to put it inside the machine. Okay, there's a slot over here. Make sure it's up before the lever, and then we have the titanium and the active carbon. Make sure it's after the lever here. This is a safety lever, so you will just put it over here, one, and then followed by the medical grade HEPA filters and the pre-filters. So once done, you can just screw it back using the thumb screw.